How to fix Google Chrome Facebook login problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Google Chrome Facebook login problem. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're trying to open up your facebook.com in your Google Chrome, and if you're redirected to the Facebook app and it is not opening on the Google Chrome, these are the steps that you need to follow in order to fix it. First of all, close your Google Chrome. After that, you just need to head over to the main settings of a device. And after heading here, you just need to scroll down a bit until you're able to see app section. Just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you just need to search for Facebook here. Just type in Facebook. After typing in Facebook, just wait for it to load and you can see this Facebook app here. And here, you're just going to scroll down a bit and you can see this set as default option here. Just click on it. And when you click on it, you can see open supported links. So what you're going to do is just turn off this option. So what it does is, if you try to open Facebook in your Chrome browser, it won't redirect to Facebook. So after that is done, you may just go to Chrome again and type in facebook.com, and then you will not be redirected to the Facebook app after that. So therefore, that's how you fix Facebook not opening on your Chrome browser. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.